Hi everyone, a shorter video for you today. This is a redesign on my client who wanted something pink and girly. I've already prepped off camera and done my infill of my clear layer, and now I'm just coming in with the design. On that nail, and then on this middle finger I'm putting on these really cute like pearlescent type flowers. I got these from AliExpress. I can't remember what I searched to find them. They just sort of like randomly came up and I thought they were really cute, so I ordered them. But you get like some flowers in there, some little caviar beads, pearls, things like that, and a couple of different coloured flowers. So I use the pink ones, and I'm just securing them on with some acrylic, and now I'm putting some of those gold caviar beads around the edge. I'm using a jewellery